What's up, guys? So welcome back to another episode of the Trends on Social Media show right here on Odate GHTV. On this show, I give you guys what is trending on social media. Yes, so Valentine is coming. Where is your boyfriend? Valentine is coming. Where is your girlfriend? Yes, so Valentine's Day is just some few days away, and a lot of people, a lot of couples are preparing for this particular day. Yes, so the single ones will be gnashing, they'll be gnashing for real, and those who are dating will be enjoying. Yes, so we all know on Valentine's Day, especially in our part of the world, in Ghana, Africa, and Africa per se, mostly is the ladies who enjoy that particular day because their boyfriends or their husbands, shower them with lots of goodies and gifts and all that. But then some few, guys get gifts from their ladies and all that. But then, as I said, in our part of the world, when you go to the western part of the world, it's both sides. But then in our part of the world, it's mostly the ladies who receive it the more. Yes, so a video which is actually going viral on social media has couple, okay, you could see their things, like they are not that old. I mean, they could be around their 19 or probably early 20s and all that. And in the video, we could see the lady giving the guy a pre-Val's Day gift. And guys, if you look at the gift, plenty things. And that particular video has got social media talking, lots of comments. People are saying that, hey, Charlie, the guy make like you. Hey, we got this, Charlie. The Val they self no cash self, Charlie. You the shower and plus so many gifts and all that. And guys, this is what has gotten social media talking. Guys, watch the video and also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Yeah, guys, so if you're a lady and watching this particular video, are you going to shower your boyfriend with a pre-Val's Day gift, or on the day they are going to give him a Val's Day gift? And also, if you're a guy and also watching this particular content, are you going to also surprise your lady or your woman with a pre-Val's Day gift or a Val's Day gift on the day? Let me hear from you in the comment section below. Let's get interactive in there. And guys, don't forget to follow me on all social media platforms at odate_gh, and on Instagram it's at odate.gh. And don't forget to also log on to my blog www.odategh.com for the latest entertainment news as well. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.